Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today I'll show you exactly how to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook so you don't miss a single one. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap the three dots or three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Step 3. Tap on Settings to open your account settings. Step 4. Find your activity section and tap on Activity Log to view your interactions. Step 5. In the search bar at the top, type Other and select other people's posts to your feed from the options. Step 6. Scroll to find the birthday wishes you received, then tap the three dots on each post and select View. Step 7. Type your reply such as Thank you Vito in the comment box to acknowledge each wish. Step 8. Tap to post your reply so your friends see it. Step 9. Repeat this process for each birthday wish you want to acknowledge to make sure everyone is thanked. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.